This is the layout for our course. This is a layout that is basically for a beginner who want to begin to be profitable trading while still learning. This is where we are offering you these super moments for you to be profitable. Profitability begins with simple steps. You must invest in knowledge. Always invest in knowledge. So this is my first and foremost key information I'll give to you. Fantastic. So topics to cover. We're going to have introduction to candlesticks. Other topics to consider under candlesticks. We're going to look at again Ashi, Japanese candlestick, line chart. What are the candlestick formation, breakdown, correlation, price representation, which is major, rejection signs, approved prices, rejected prices, and we are going to have a summary to candlesticks. So that will be end of our introduction to candlesticks, and it's going to profit you so much, and you are going to see that as we will be going deep into these lessons, you have a clear picture when to place a trade. Looking at our part 2, introduction to chart patterns. This is the next level, whereby I'm expecting you to decipher the higher time frame candlesticks, of which I'll explain to you what they are. Higher HTF, higher time frame candlesticks, I'm going to assist you to decipher what they are. So in a nutshell, we want to compress and make Forex simple for a beginner, so that it won't be talking of profitability. Okay, we have to follow each and every step, and we try to compress everything in a nutshell so that it will be easy for you to grasp. We are going to introduce everything that you are supposed to know to become a profitable Forex trader. Before we can now defragment each and every topic after compression, so that when we begin to decipher these topics, we are going to explain deeper on each and every topic. So what we are going to experience in this video and the part 2 of this video, deep explanations of each and every topic. So introduction chart patterns, we'll be looking at chart patterns as part of our making an understanding, creating an atmosphere of understanding the market, the overview, making sense of the chaos, chart tools, drawing tools. I'm going to be talking about the different drawing tools, where you find them, the lagging tools. We're talking of the indicators and the likes. I'll pick 5 maybe as an example and show you how they work and how they can assist you in your trading for confirmation, because these are not major tools. Looking forward also to making sense, plotting sense, whereby we will be plotting using our tools, plotting sense into the market until we become familiar. So what we want to create in this part 2 is familiarization to the market, so that when you are there, you know when to place your order and become a profitable trader. And then we'll explain more on the bigger picture of the market. We must not look only on profits, but also looking at managing risk, to keep our funds, protecting our funds. That is the major thing that a trader must have in mind before taking any trade. Have you managed the risk here? Are you protecting your funds? Do you have many chances to continue trading? Trades cannot just be placed for the sake of the profit. Let us look at the downside. Is the downside proportion yet to the risk, proper risk management? If so, then you become a profitable trader. The profits are an effect of the profits are an effect of what you have done in managing your risk. So it gives you more chances also. When you use risk to reward ratios, they help. We are going to explain more on those. So you have to become profitable. Your goal is to make money, but you keep losing money because of this failure to automate these lessons, these taught lessons by basic lessons. So you have to also reach automation. Okay, we'll talk about that, but majorly manage your risk. Let it be always in your mind. So the bigger picture will help you. Also going to explain much, and we're going to have summary for chart patterns. These are things that we are to expect in part 3. Part 3 is going to be a major introduction to what I use and works, and what will now combine at the end and put it together to come out with one strategy chart that is going to be at least 80 to 90% working. And when you also use it with other information like proper risk management, risk to reward ratio, you will find yourself succeeding when you apply these lessons that you are going to learn. So these are your tools to your success, and if you misuse them, they can be also tools to someone's downfall. So let's not talk much about downfall, let's talk of your success. I want you to become a successful trader. Don't give up yet. Yes, there are mistakes that we new traders do, but I know that those mistakes can be they can be overruled. Going to look at part 3, where we're going to introduce you to trends and how to have proper trends that are working 60 to 90% of the time. Introduction to trend lines, understanding how these trend lines can be manipulated or can be used against us, and how we can use them as they are using them against us, to use them in a profitable manner. The histograms are not much going to talk about. I want you to research much. I'll just introduce the histograms and then talk of the key levels, point of interest, POI. We are going to introduce support and demand and major support and resistant levels. We're going to introduce, as you can see here, we are here now, the POS. This is a very key and major topic that you must grasp also. The POS, we are going to talk much about it. We also have the confluences, whereby now we are combining everything that is above. Now talking of the psychology of trading, talking of the psychology of trading introduction, sticking to one strategy, automation, as I said, and then we are going to have a summary, our summary to the whole course, and we are going to have master's lesson after the end of this course. Since you can see here, this is the whole course summary, a video that will be specifically for the whole course summary. I want you to write down each and every part of this these topics in their parts, and you are going to have a framework whereby you will be coming online, and when you come online, you come straight to our YouTube channel, and you follow step by step until you grasp, and all these videos will be